Hi friends! Today we are going to be learning about the top 5 tallest statues of the world. What are they? How tall are they?
Hi, I'm Japan.
Hi, I am India. Hi, I am Myanmar.
Hi, I am China. We have a confusion. Today we should figure out who among the 4 of us has the tallest statue in the world. We know all the 5 tallest statues are from Asia, but not sure who among us has the tallest.
How about we figure this out over dinner? That's a great idea. Who wants to go first?
I will go first. We have a spring temple Buddha in Henan. It is the tallest in our country.
How tall is it?
It is 128 meters tall.
Wow! In my country, we have a Buddha statue as well. He is 116 meters tall, about 12 feet less than yours, China.
We have a Buddha statue too. He's 100 meters tall and is located in Ushiku. We call the statue as Ushiku Daibutsu. He's 16 meters shorter than New Myanmar and about 28 meters shorter than New China. We have another statue in Sendai city. He's called Sendai Dai Kannon.
Oh, yeah, how tall it is.
It is the same height as the other statue in my country, 100 meters tall.
You have 2 statues at the same height, Japan. That is cool. How about you, India?
We have a statue that is 182 meters tall in Gujarat, Western India. The statue depicts a person and not the Buddha. He is called as the Iron Man of India.
Wow! That is about 54 meters taller than ours.
Wow! Way to go, India! Your statue is 66 meters taller than ours.
Fantastic! 82 meters taller than both our statues.
Okay, clearly based on the height, India has the tallest statue.
The next is China, followed by Myanmar.
The 4th and 5th are in Japan.
And the food is great.
Problem solved. India is the winner. Keep watching my channel.